Hey JVs, it's Todd Gross along with my team and also Scotty Carter and Silvio Porcelana, who we have teamed up with to bring the internet community something very big, in fact huge. This is one of the biggest releases that you've ever seen on the internet in our niche. On Monday, June 10th, we will be launching a first of its kind revolutionary website builder that, get this, builds the fastest websites on the internet. This is an extremely important breakthrough for everyone who relies on Google search for any kind of traffic to their websites, and we do it by putting mobile first. I'll explain that in just a moment. Now, I know this is not directly related to video, which may come as a shock to some of you, but in my honest opinion, this is way more important and urgent than anything else right now at the moment. Why? Over the past year, Google has been slowly implementing mobile-first indexing, a new way of indexing websites that is placing more emphasis on site speed and performance across all devices, making how fast a site loads just as, if not more, important than site content and SEO for Google rankings. In a nutshell, websites that aren't the fastest loading and top performing across mobile, tablet, and desktop in any niche will virtually become obsolete in Google search. It will just sink lower and lower. When Google first hinted at a possible scenario like this several years ago, Scotty and Silvio hit the ground running and thankfully cracked the code to develop a user-friendly site builder solution that anyone could use to build the fastest websites on the internet. It's called MobiFirst, and it is the first ever site designer that builds web pages for mobile first. Mobile first, or MobiFirst as we call it, is cloud-based and completely reverse engineers how websites are built by constructing for the smallest mobile devices first and adding site elements of your choice for larger and larger screens through the site building process. Now, this way of building produces sites with unheard of loading speeds that are extremely high in security. Virtually, they can't be hacked, plus instantly optimized pages for top SEO performance, and so much more. Now, sites built with MobiFirst have been tested through and through and keep producing over and over and over again top results, which you can see below again and again to prove it. Now, MobiFirst is easy to use and includes dozens of pre-made website templates to get folks started. They can be completely customized in endless ways to create any desired design. You can even develop templates from scratch, all of which can be saved and used time and time again for any project. Now, the content used to build this site is widget-based. There are dozens of pre-made widgets that you can select from that are customizable to your liking. For a quick example of how this works, you simply select the design template you want to start with, and then select the content widgets you want to use throughout the page. You customize it to your liking, and voila, that's how a single page is constructed. Now, you could add as many pages to the website as you want. You could even add the blog widget to a page and have a fully functioning blog ready to go in no time. Now, we've made development of this simple and intuitive. So, in other words, folks that want to develop the websites are going to be having an easy time doing so. You could see how your site looks, as a matter of fact, on a phone, tablet, and desktop, all in one editing view. And you could show certain content on phones and not on tablets and not on desktop. You get the idea. No need for creating separate sites for mobile and desktop. No need for guessing what functions work on one device or another. No need for guessing what looks good on one and doesn't look good on the other. It's completely flexible what you want to show on any device, allowing for optimal site design for every single device and optimal speed on all. It really is limitless in terms of what you could do. We've combined total design flexibility, easy user functionality with what every website needs going forward, performance and speed. And there's so much more jam-packed into MobiFirst that goes even beyond site design. And just wait until we show you what to do with videos to make sure they don't hurt site performance. Now, we've got all the launch details below, as well as additional information about MobiFirst. I think Now you can see why we're so excited about launching MobiFirst and why we believe this will be very successful, another 7-figure launch, and why it is so important for every website owner. Please check out the amazing results that MobiFirst is producing. Get more product information and all the pre-launch and launch details below as well. And get signed up for the latest updates on the launch that's happening on June 10th. Don't get caught behind. Get in front of this one. We'll be in touch very soon, and thank you for taking the time to check out MobiFirst.